We're going to keep this show on the road. I'm excited. Welcome back to this new slow life. We're going to make chipotle lentil chili. I used my Instapot this morning for garbanzo beans. Those are done. One in the freezer, one in the fridge, both labeled. I brought out my Presto electric canner, got my beans canned early this morning. Yes. And I figured, let's just keep moving, throw in some chipotle chili in the Instant Pot, and then I take off. When I come back, boom, everyone has dinner. And this one is so quick. So I just do my saute function right now. Put in some olive oil. Gonna get our garlic. I have an onion. I get everything put out on a tray here. It's just the way I roll. Then I know I have all the ingredients. And earlier, when I put it out, I realized I was out of sun-dried tomatoes. So we're gonna fire these in here, get them on saute. We're on the saute function. These are dream machines. And I sure wish they had them when I was raising my kids. The reason why I'm making this is this was in the freezer ready to be done. I got this for free at my volunteer job, and it was calling to me, if you do not use me, I'm not going to be good anymore. So the whole reason why I'm doing this is because of the green pepper. Favorite tool. I have to put in 2 tablespoons of chili powder. I've even marked this. Chili powder is not created equally. Okay. I have ruined so much stuff. I know for a fact this is mild. So we're doing mild. I have another one that I relabeled that says hot. This is the kale that I dry. It's not called for in this recipe, but we're going to use it. We are going to hide some of that kale in our food. And so I'll pull this kale out and then I'll reseal the container. Got my canned tomatoes labeled with the date. I'm going to go heavy on the tomatoes. I'm going to do 2 of my canned veggie stock. This is fast food. I'm doing this pretty much as fast as I can because I have to take off and go see my mommy. And I think because I'm doing the sun-dried tomatoes, it adds a really nice dark texture because I don't put meat in my chili. And I use very little chipotle sauce or chipotle powder because it is just too spicy for us. I like this part. Stock goes in. Tomatoes go in. Oh, this I got free from my volunteer job, and it is not happy. I have the rinsed lentils. I do like the art of slowing down. It doesn't really apply to my kitchen. I like ramping things up when I'm in my kitchen. Right. Add the kale. Tomatoes, teaspoon cumin. And because I'm not using chipotle peppers, we are going to do a little of this chipotle chili powder, but it is hot. So honestly, I'm going to start with 1/4 of a teaspoon. and pray that's not too hot. Okay, we're doing a little mixy poo. Get cover and lock lid. High pressure 12 minutes. Cover, lock lid. 12 minutes. We're done. Now we're at cleanup. Let's see what else it says. We're cooking at high pressure, and we're going to do a quick release. And when that's finished, I'll stir in some salt, and I'll adjust the flavors with cumin or this chipotle powder. And then we're done. And we'll just serve it with some crusty bread and cheese. This is the book I got when I was gifted an Instapot that I did not ask for. And I love it. So my husband did great. So, chili tonight. Ciao for now.